Welcome back, seekers, explorers, and curious minds. In this video, we are stepping into one of the most fascinating modern manifestation systems ever shared openly with the public, the Magical Cashbook. But this isn't just another law of attraction notebook or vision board exercise. This is a focused ritual system designed to create a living energetic channel for wealth, opportunity, and financial momentum. And now, we're going even deeper, because behind the Magical Cashbook lies a powerful spiritual partnership, the combined forces of the wealth, spirit Nitika, and the acceleration, spirit Tyial. One generates the current of abundance. The other speeds it directly toward you. So here's the question. What happens when you combine focused intention, ritual symbolism, and two synchronized intelligences said to influence prosperity itself? That's exactly what we're exploring today. We'll break down the origins of the Magical Cashbook, who Nitika and Tyial are, why their synergy is so powerful, how to create your own Magical Cashbook, the complete ritual process, and the mindset practitioners say changes everything. So grab a notebook, open your mind, and let's dive in. For centuries, occult rituals around wealth were hidden behind layers of complexity. Ancient grimoires demanded expensive tools, exact astrological timings, protective circles, and years of ceremonial training. But modern occult author Damon Brand and the Gallery of Magic took a radically different approach. Instead of requiring temples, robes, and elaborate ceremonies, they stripped the process down to something astonishingly simple. A notebook, a few sigils, a spoken ritual, and daily focused intention. The result became known as the Magical Cashbook, a portable manifestation engine specifically designed to attract money and financial opportunities. The idea is simple but provocative. You create a dedicated energetic gateway for abundance. Then feed it focused intention every single day. And according to thousands of practitioners online, strange things begin to happen. Unexpected refunds, surprise checks, new job offers, random discounts, clients appearing out of nowhere, financial pressure easing in highly specific ways. Not always through miracles, but through perfectly timed coincidences. And this is where the second spirit enters the picture. Because the deeper layers of the Cashbook tradition reveal something many beginners overlook. The system was never only about attracting money. It was also about accelerating its arrival. At the center of the Magical Cashbook stands the spirit Nitika. Nitika is traditionally described as a gentle genius spirit associated with wealth, comfort, prosperity, and financial stability. Historical references to Nitika trace back through occult literature spanning centuries, eventually becoming one of the most approachable spirits used in modern money magic. Practitioners consistently describe Nitika's energy as calm, supportive, and stabilizing. Not chaotic wealth, not reckless gambling, but sustainable abundance. Nitika focuses on opening the channels of prosperity, removing resistance around money, and creating conditions where wealth can naturally flow into your life. But then comes Tyial. And this is where the system becomes truly interesting. Tyial is associated with timing, acceleration, synchronizing, and rapid alignment. If Nitika builds the flow of wealth, Tyial compresses the timeline. Think about it in engineering terms. Nitika is the power generator. Tyial is the accelerator directing the current exactly where it needs to go. Nitika creates the opportunity. Tyial ensures you encounter it at precisely the right moment. Nitika clears the pathway. Tyial removes delays and stagnation. Together, practitioners believe these two forces create a synchronized manifestation engine. Stable abundance combined with rapid delivery. And according to many who work with this pairing, the results often arrive through uncanny timing. Meeting the right person unexpectedly. Receiving sudden financial openings. Perfectly timed coincidences. Being in exactly the right place at exactly the right moment. Not forced, not chaotic, but strangely aligned. Now, let's build the actual tool itself. One of the reasons the Magical Cashbook became so popular is because of how accessible it is. You don't need rare crystals. You don't need expensive ritual tools. And you definitely don't need years of occult training. Here's the basic process. Step 1. Buy a plain notebook. Nothing fancy. In fact, many practitioners intentionally choose simple notebooks because the power is believed to come from intention, not appearance. Step 2. Paint or cover the front of the notebook in gray or silver. Then make the back cover orange. These colors symbolize different energetic qualities. Silver for attraction, flow, and manifestation. Orange for movement, acceleration, and energetic momentum. Step 3. Place the sigil of Nitika on the front cover and the sigil of Tyial on the back. Now your cashbook becomes more than a notebook. It becomes a symbolic gateway between intention and manifestation. Then, on the very first page, write the words of power. Nar Yord He Va He. Practitioners vibrate these words slowly and deeply during ritual to shift their mental and emotional state into focused receptivity. And here's something important. Perfection is not required. Your handwriting doesn't need to be beautiful. Your paint doesn't need to be flawless. Your sigils don't need to look professionally drawn. Modern practitioners repeatedly emphasize one crucial principle. Casual confidence activates the system far more effectively than obsessive perfection. The ritual is powered by focused intent and emotional certainty, not artistic skill. Now comes the activation process. This is where the cashbook becomes active. Sit somewhere quiet. Take a slow breath. Hold the cashbook in your hands and begin by speaking the opening words of power slowly and deeply. Nar Yord He Va He. Allow the sound to resonate from your chest. Then gaze softly at Nitika's sigil and repeat the name 11 times.
Nitika, Nitika, Nitika.
Slowly, calmly, without force. Next, turn your attention to Tyial.
Tyial, Tyial, Tyial.
Feel the energy shift from stability into movement. Then speak the petition. Nitika, bring the flow. Tyial, hasten the hour. Open the gates. At this point, many practitioners enter a rhythmic chanting loop designed to synchronize focus and emotion.
Nitika Tyial, Nitika Tyial, Nitika Tyial,
Now, repeat the following invocation along with me. By the power of the cosmic architects of abundance, I call upon the benevolent spirits Nitika and Tyial. Nitika, spirit of kind abundance, unblock the vaults of prosperity and direct a steady, sustainable flow of wealth into my life. Tyial, spirit of rapid alignment, accelerate this current, collapse the timeline of delay, and orchestrate the perfect synchronicities to bring this wealth to me now. Together, clear my path, magnify my fortune, and anchor this prosperity in my physical reality for the highest good of all. It is done. Then write the exact amount of money you wish to receive. Be specific. Circle the amount. Close the book. And then comes the most important step of all. Walk away. Do something else. Live your life. Release the obsession. Because according to practitioners, desperation blocks the current. There's a concept in occult practice called lust for result, and it destroys more rituals than almost anything else. Here's what it means. Constantly checking, constantly worrying, constantly asking, is it working yet? That anxious obsession reinforces the feeling of not having. The Magical Cashbook system repeatedly emphasizes that manifestation works best when desire is balanced with detachment. You perform the ritual. You feel the reality emotionally. And then you release it. This is why many experienced practitioners recommend starting with smaller, believable amounts first. Not because the spirits are limited, but because your subconscious resistance matters. If you ask for $1 million while internally believing it's impossible, you create energetic friction. But when you ask for an amount your mind can realistically accept, you allow synchronicities to unfold naturally. And this is where many users report astonishingly specific outcomes. Unexpected gifts. Refunds arriving at perfect moments. Currency fluctuations benefiting them. Sudden opportunities appearing out of nowhere. The manifestation often arrives through ordinary reality, but in highly improbable timing. Now, naturally, Practices like this create controversy. Traditional ceremonial occultists argue that all spirit work should involve elaborate protections, strict pronunciation, and formal rituals. Modern practitioners disagree. The Gallery of Magic approach emphasizes simplicity, emotional clarity, and direct practical results. Some view Nitika and Tyial as independent spiritual intelligences. Others interpret them psychologically as symbolic archetypes activating the subconscious mind. And honestly, that debate may never be fully resolved. Because whether someone views this as spiritual contact, subconscious programming, or synchronicity engineering, the reports keep coming. Stories of impossible timing, financial breakthroughs, unexpected openings, coincidences stacking in strange and meaningful ways. And perhaps that's the real mystery here. Not whether magic violates reality, but whether reality is far more responsive to focused intention than we've ever been taught to believe. So here's the final question. What if abundance isn't only about hard work? What if timing, alignment, focus, and symbolic intention all play a role in shaping opportunity? The Magical Cashbook asks you to test that possibility directly. Not through blind belief, but through personal experience, a notebook, a ritual, a few spoken words, 2 synchronized currents. Nitika, the bringer of abundance. Tyial, the accelerator of manifestation. One opens the flow, the other hastens the arrival, and together they create a system designed to turn coincidence into opportunity. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the Magical Cashbook and the powerful synergy of Nitika and Tyial. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and perhaps most importantly, pay attention to the coincidences.